How do we say hello in English? How do we respond to different greetings? We have many different ways of greeting people. Let's practice some greetings and responses. 1. General greetings. Greeting, hello. Response, hello. Greeting, hi. Response, hi. 2. Greetings based on the time of day. These are more formal greetings. Greeting, good morning. Response, good morning. Greeting, good afternoon. Response, good afternoon. Greeting, good evening. Response, good evening. As you can see, we often imitate the greeting in the response. 3. Meeting someone for the first time. We have many phrases we say when we meet someone for the first time. Here are some examples. Greeting, nice to meet you. Response, nice to meet you too. Greeting, good to meet you. Response, good to meet you too. Greeting, glad to meet you. Response, glad to meet you too. Greeting, pleased to meet you. Response, pleased to meet you too. Greeting, pleasure to meet you. Response, pleasure to meet you too. 4. Meeting someone again. Here are some examples. Greeting, nice to see you again. Response, nice to see you again too. Greeting, good to see you again. Response, good to see you again too. Greeting, pleasure to see you again. Response, pleasure to see you again too. 5. How do we answer when people ask, "Hi, how are you?" A friend may want a detailed and personal response. In most cases, people want a very short response. It is also polite to ask about the other person in your response. Here are some examples of responses to this question. Greeting, hi, how are you? Here are some responses. Fine, thanks. You? Very well, thanks. You? If you want to be less formal, you can say, good, thanks. You?